could you even hate this line? But I can't make you dry. I'm gonna take what's mine. How could you even hate this?
What's up, Brofessional fans? We're out here. We're gonna be doing a backyard hunt, hunting some crows. We're gonna throw out some decoys, throw out the mojo, call him some crows, and then we're gonna cook it after. So stay tuned, see how crow tastes. Make sure you're liking the videos and subscribe for more. Alright boys, just gotta set up. There's crows flying everywhere. They watch me set up, so hopefully we either call them in or call some different ones in, because they done spotted me, but we'll see. We're hunting in some trees, so getting a shot's gonna be tough, but I think I can do it. Stay tuned. We just need one. Come on in. Got the 22 with the scope cam just in case one lands in a tree. Well, we got one. He landed in the tree and I smoked him with the shotgun. I tried to shoot that second one too. All three of them landed in a tree about 25 yards away. Shot the first one that landed and the other two. One took off to the right and there's too many trees that way. One took off left right over top of me. Just missed him. I think I was just behind him. Happened too fast. But yeah, at least we've been gonna figure out what crow tastes like. I might try to get one more. We'll see. There he is. Bam, crow down. Well, I can't strike up any more crows, so I think that's the only group flying around this area today. But we got one and we're gonna cook it up. I know that's what you're here for. I've had crow before, but today I'm gonna cook it a little differently. The only crow I've had is fried and it just tastes like chicken. A little tougher, but today we're gonna try to cook it like steak. Stay tuned, let me show you how to do it. Alright, we got our crow breast. Not much. First thing we're gonna do is sprinkle some salt in there. Help dry out all the blood. Get them nice and good. And then we're gonna add some ice cubes just to keep it cold. I'm gonna let that sit for a couple hours and then we'll be cooking some crow steaks. Alright boys and girls, it's been about an hour. You can tell they're nice and light colored. Most of the blood's all out of them. Alright, since crow's pretty tough, we're gonna beat it out. Try to make it more tender. Alright, now we're gonna add some Lawry's seasoned salt. We're gonna add some pepper. Then we're going to be using this Western Sizzle deer steak seasoning. Then we're going to beat it out one more time. Alright, now the meat's prepared. Now we got to get the stove prepared. Alright, we got the stove. We're going to turn it to 4. It goes up to 10, so about half. You're going to grab us a stick of butter. Cut off about a tablespoon. Not that much. Throw it in the pan. Now we're just gonna let that heat up for a minute. Let it get it all melted on there before we throw the meat in. Alright, now that the butter is nice and almost melted, we're gonna throw in our breasts. There we go. You're gonna turn the stove up to half now. Or you just sit back and wait. Now that the stove's nice and hot and it's cooking, we're gonna turn it back down to almost half, to 4 out of 10. Alright, it's been about 4 minutes. Now it's time to flip them. See how they looking? Ain't looking bad, looking pretty decent. Alright, it's been about 3.5 minutes on this side. I'm gonna just check it, cut the big one open. Could use about a minute more. Alright, I'd say they're looking done. Cut that big one in half, that's why there's 3. So let's see what this tastes like. Bam. Alright, boys and girls, it's time. See that? I ain't gonna lie to you. I'll give y'all the honest truth. That was 100% worth 10 minutes of hunting in the backyard and killing 1 crow for this little bit of meat. Tastes just like a normal steak. But that's some good stuff. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, make sure you stay tuned for more videos. We upload at 8 p.m. every Tuesday and Friday. So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
How could you even hate this life? You do what you want, but I can't make you try. Destiny fulfilled, came here to take what's mine. Hope the negativity evade my mind. How could you even hate this life? You do what you want, but I can't make you try. Destiny fulfilled, came here to take what's mine. Hope the negativity evade